Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore a very useful feature in the IMO app that allows you to control who can see your read receipts. This setting can help you maintain privacy while chatting. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the profile icon. Then scroll down and select the option called Security and Privacy. Look for the option called Read Receipts. Once you click on it, you will see four choices: Everyone, My Contacts, Custom, and Nobody. Everyone allows all IMO users to see when you have read their messages. Choosing My Contacts restricts read receipts only to people saved in your contact list. The Custom option lets you select specific people who can see your read receipts, giving you more control over your privacy. Finally, selecting Nobody hides your read receipts from everyone, ensuring complete privacy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.